VLC Inspection Management Role Center, set up, configure and perform the inspection process. Set up users for purchase, engineering approvals of material returns. Authorize them for setup of the inspection data. Configure inspection process using the setup. Parameters required for inspection can be set up in a particular inspection plan for item. The parameter skip logic is used to skip the inspection parameters based on the rules specified in the skip logic. Sampling plan describes the complete sampling method to be applied in an inspection plan. Inspection plan is the procedure, depending on which the actual inspection of items takes place. Inspection items are the items that are suggested to be inspected, depending on the inspection plan specified on the item card. The vendor sample approval is used to specify the approval status for vendors and items. This process involves the decision-making, whether to proceed for inspection or not. Create a purchase order with an item which requires inspection. Items which require inspection based on the setup and skip logic rules are automatically printed when the purchase order is posted as receive and the inspection process is initiated. Items which require inspection are suggested to be moved to inspection QC bin. Item inspection is created when a purchase order is received with items requiring inspection. Inspection result is where the user enters the measured, inspected values and compared to the specified parameters. Enter the measured value for each piece inspected. Complete feedback after the required parameters are measured, inspected. MRN is created if the inspection parameters of the item received are not per the inspection plan. Purchase return order can be created once purchase and engineering department approves.